Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn about how to apply scatter chart with straight lines and marker. So stay tuned and watch till the end. For example, I have a very simple example. There are two columns. One is with name and second column is with total sale. If I want to apply scatter chart on my data, I will select the data and then go to Insert tab. There is a chart area here, very last option. If I click node on the side, it will show me the different charts option. So I will select this one. If you hover your mouse, it will show scatter with straight lines and marker. If I click this one, a chart will apply on my data. So if I want to resize the chart, just squeeze in from the corner. You can resize from the corner, so you can move anywhere within your worksheet. So you can change its width, its height, whatever you want to do, and then you can move within the sheet. So you can see there are three options appearing on the right hand side. If I press on plus button, it will show the different option. One is axis. If I untick this one, the figures appearings on the left hand side and the bottom will disappear. Click back again. Axis title. If you want to have the axis title, you can see it's appearing on the side. Untick this one. This is for chart title. If you want to have chart title or not, then untick one. If I don't want to have chart title, data labels. If I click this one, it will appear the numbers on the dots on the data points. So next is error bar. There are different options within the error bar. It will show the standard error, percentage, standard deviation, and more options. Next one is grid line. If I want to take off the grid lines, it will take it off. Legend, if I take this one, it will appear on the right hand side. Just untick this one. The last one is trend line. If I want to have a trend line to show is it upward trend or downward trend, so it will appear on my chart. Just untick this one. Second one is about the chart design. So if I want to have a different chart design, there are so many different options here. So if I click this one or this one, if I just hover my mouse, it will show the different chart style. If I click this one, it will apply on my data. I can change the chart style from the this format tab as well. So there are different options here. I can choose from here as well. Number third one is filter if you want to filter any values or any names. So this is how you can apply this scatter chart on your data, and you can easily filter data or you can easily apply a different design. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.